Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is abound in or abound with. It means to say have in great numbers or quality. इसको हम उर्दू में बकसरत होना या किसी चीज़ का बहुत ज़्यादा होना कह सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like into this picture. The river abounds in fish. It means to say कि नदी में बहुत ज़्यादा मछलियाँ होती हैं. So here is we have used abounds in. Or here is another sentence, the table is abound with fruits. So once again we have used here abound with. We could use abound in or abound with into these same sentences. So it depends upon your choice. The meaning will be same. So this is how we are going to learn abound in or with.